In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect BingX in Tradingview. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge necessary to seamlessly integrate these tools, enabling a more streamlined trading experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Tradingview, which is an incredibly powerful platform that allows you to track various financial markets all in one place. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Tradingview website. Once you're on the landing page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Tradingview. Now that we're on Tradingview, let's move on to the next step, which is to click on Super Charts. This feature is one of the things that makes Tradingview so popular among traders. Super Charts gives you advanced charting capabilities that are both user-friendly and visually appealing, perfect for performing technical analysis. With the Super Charts open, you'll see a variety of options to customize your trading view. Our next focus will be on the trading panel. This panel is where the magic begins, as it allows you to integrate your brokerage accounts. Go ahead and locate the trading panel option, which should be prominently displayed at the bottom of your chart screen. Click on it to reveal a list of available brokers you can connect with. Once you click on the trading panel, you will notice a button labeled Show All Brokers. Clicking this reveals a comprehensive list of brokerage options that Tradingview is compatible with. This list is extensive, reflecting Tradingview's versatility and wide acceptance within the trading community. Scroll down or use the search function to look for BingX. BingX is a popular choice known for its low transaction fees and wide range of supported digital assets. It's worth noting that having an account with BingX already set up will streamline this entire process. So if you haven't done that yet, it might be a good idea to sign up on their official website. After locating BingX in the list, click on it to select it as your preferred broker. When you click on BingX, you'll see an option to connect. This is the crucial step where the two platforms, Tradingview and BingX, will start talking to each other. Click on Connect and follow any on-screen prompts. You may need to log in to your BingX account and authorize the connection, allowing Tradingview to send and receive trading data through your BingX account. Once these steps are complete, congratulations, your BingX account is now connected to your Tradingview. By following these steps, you've just integrated BingX into Tradingview, empowering you with more efficient trading solutions. This setup will provide you with a seamless flow between analyzing market data and executing trades without having to leave your Tradingview platform. Remember, this integration is about making your trading process smoother and more intuitive. So take advantage of the tools available to get the most out of your trading strategy. Thanks for watching and happy trading.